Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag is here to save the day, giving you unparalleled peace of mind. This isn't just any tracker. With precision finding and ultra-wideband technology, your iPhone literally points you to your lost item, showing you the exact distance and direction. Imagine seeing an arrow on your screen guiding you right to your misplaced valuables. It's incredibly precise and genuinely magical. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap on your iPhone, and you're connected, ready to track. It's seamless integration into your Apple ecosystem, making it the perfect tech gadget for anyone already using an iPhone. Worried about spills or drops? The AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, so it can handle splashes and accidental tumbles without a problem. This durability means you can attach it to almost anything, from a child's backpack to pet collars, with complete confidence. What truly makes AirTag special is Apple's vast Find My network. Millions of Apple devices around the world help you locate your item, even if it's miles away. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker, especially if you're an iPhone user, this is a must-have upgrade for peace of mind. Don't wait to get organized and stress-free. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack from the Amazon link in the description below and discover why it's a top pick for 2025.